So guys, let's see how I am taking current affairs note. This is the PDF of Affairs Cloud and let's start. First I will read the headline. Okay, then after that I will read the entire news like I read a newspaper. I will show you. So here the headline is that Minister of State of Defense Sanjay Seth has launched GRC Accelerated Innovation Nurturing Scheme. So I understood that this news is about Ministry of Defense. And who is the Minister of State of Defense? It is Sanjay Seth, and he has launched Gains 2024. What is Gains 2024? It is GRC Accelerated Innovation Nurturing Scheme, and this was its second edition. Then, where it was held in Kolkata, West Bengal. What is meant by GRC? GRC mean that it is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. It is actually a public sector undertaking where they build ships and all. So here it is given that GRSC is a Miniratna category public sector undertaking which comes under Ministry of Defense. So they are headquartered in Kolkata. Hence this event was held in Kolkata. Okay, so this scheme is by these Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. That is important. Okay, then when this gain scheme was introduced, it was introduced first in 2023 and this year it is the second edition. I will read like this. Let's see how I write these news. So first I have wrote that this is about Ministry of Defense. So they have launched a scheme. What is the name of the scheme? Gains 2024, which mean that GRSE Accelerated Innovation Nurturing Scheme. And the second edition was launched at Kolkata. Okay, and this was launched by Minister of State, who is Sanjay Seth. So this was the second edition. Then started in 2023. Okay. Then what is the another important thing? This scheme is by who? GRSE, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. Why this scheme is introduced? For innovative solution. Then you can see that the theme AI in shipbuilding. Then we know that renewable energy, then efficiency enhancement in shipyard operation. So this prize money 5 lakh for each. So that is, and this energy efficiency. So that's all about this news. So this is how I make notes. I have completed the entire PDF like this. Hope you understood. This is what I wanted to tell you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.